Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ahoufe Darocha. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. So today's look of oranges and burgundies and coppers. So without further ado, let's get right into this look. Okay, so as per usual, I'm gonna take my infallible mattifying base primer by L'Oreal. I'm gonna prime my face with
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. In control. Ooh, well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just let me.
obviously went for the scruffy look. Just in case you guys think, oh my god, her weave is messy, she needs to sort out her hair, girl. Oh my god. No, no, no. I went for the scruffy look today. I wanted the scruffy sort of edgy vibe. So I've done half up and half down. So yes. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This has been my favorite go-to. It was only good of me to record and to share this look with you. I'm in love. I do hope you guys enjoyed this look. Like I said, this has been my favorite look thus far. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Please like, comment and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.